Absolutely, there's lots of issues in terms of analytics, but I would first say that it's not just a CIO issue, it is an organizational issue. It impacts the entire organization. But if you think of the CIO for a second, analytics gets at the heart of change in terms of what the CIO is responsible for, in that it impacts the people and talent side of things, it impacts the underlying architecture, it impacts the kind of data and the volume of data that you need to process, and it also affects the delivery process in terms of how we go deliver new capabilities to the business. This is another example where the CIO has an opportunity to lead, working with the business. And so I think CIOs should anticipate that this change is coming at them and get ready for it. And that means looking at the architecture, looking at the data, and looking at the talent that's in place in order to support the business initiatives that will be coming at them. There's many things that the CIO can do in their organization, but it first starts with a mindset. It's a mindset that says analytics is a big deal. It's strategic, and it's a big competitive factor for our organization in the future. Secondly, I would advise the CIOs to reach out in their organization and form a relationship with either the Chief Data Officer or the Chief Digital Officer, because those are two roles that we see emerging in Canadian companies. Thirdly, I would suggest that they look at engaging the business. And this is something that's been missing in many organizations today, is getting the business engaged in understanding and owning their data, assessing the quality, and determining programs are going to improve the quality. Next, I would suggest that they look at the projects, and the CIO working in conjunction with the CDO to carefully select projects that are going to either demonstrate how you can reduce cost or establish a platform for growth. And then lastly, the CIOs need to ensure that the platforms and the tools and the sandboxes and the new approaches are in place to enable these proof of concepts that the businesses are going to want to conduct.